Chuck came to me and has been experiencing some psoas pain. So today we're working deep into his psoas, and you can see here as I put his leg up against mine, it relaxes that muscle and allows me to get really deep into the psoas. And Chuck's doing a really good job here, staying relaxed. And what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get to the QL from the anterior side of the abdomen. So doing some deep work here. So what I'm going to do here is I want to do a little bit of effleurage on his stomach and get everything ready to go for some deeper work. Dropped a little piece there. So you can see my strokes. I'm really getting in the rib cage, underneath the ribs, getting that diaphragm. This is really good for people that suffer from breathing issues. Really open them up, doing that diaphragm. So you can see I'm getting really deep in the psoas there. What I'm going to do is put Chuck on his side. This is going to allow me to address his QL, his quadratus lumborum, here in the backside. And the QL is a very interesting muscle. When it's aggravated, it can cause a lot of back pain. So I want to address that and the attachment points up near the iliac crest, all in through here. So this is a great treatment for QL and psoas pain, guys.